Hello, everyone. Welcome to our exciting session where we explore the world of 3D shapes using food. Today, we will learn about different 3D shapes by seeing how they appear in some of our favorite snacks and treats. So, let's dive in. Sphere. A sphere is a perfectly round 3D shape, like a ball. Imagine a juicy orange or a scoop of ice cream. These are great examples of spheres. You can roll them around and they look the same from every angle. Cube. A cube has 6 equal square faces. Think of a sugar cube or a block of cheese. Each face of the cube is a square and all the sides are the same length. You can stack cubes easily because of their flat surfaces. Cylinder. A cylinder has two parallel circular bases connected by a curved surface. Picture few spring rolls or a cylinder-shaped pasta. Cylinders can roll on their sides but stand still on their bases. Cone. A cone has a circular base and a pointed top. Ice cream cones are the perfect example. They start wide at the bottom and narrow to a point at the top. Cones can also be found in the form of samosas. Rectangular prism. A rectangular prism has 6 faces and each face is a rectangle. Think of a chocolate bar or a loaf of bread. Unlike cubes, the faces of a rectangular prism can be different sizes. By using food to visualize these shapes, we can better understand their properties and how they look in real life. Plus, it's a tasty way to learn. We hope you enjoyed this introduction to 3D shapes with food. Now, it's your turn. We want to see your creativity in action. We want to know about your creativity in action. Grab some of your favorite foods and start exploring different 3D shapes. Whether it's fruits, vegetables, snacks, or baked goods, the possibilities are endless. So here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own 3D shape. Use any food items you have at home to create a 3D shape. It could be a sphere, cube, cylinder, or any other shape we have discussed. Tell us in comments about your creation. We will be happy to know. So let's make learning about 3D shapes a delicious and interactive experience. Have fun, get creative, and don't forget to share your amazing food shapes with us. Happy creating!